What is ductable air conditioner? Ductless systems are not considered central air systems because they provide cooling to specific, targeted areas within the home. They require less aggressive installation because, as their name suggests, they do not rely on ductwork to distribute the cool air. Like split systems, ductless systems include one outdoor unit and at least one indoor unit, connected by copper refrigerant tubing. Each indoor unit in a ductless system is designed to provide cold air only for the room in which it is installed. The indoor unit can be installed on the wall, on the ceiling or on the floor. Some ductless systems may consist of multiple indoor units connected to one outdoor unit. Regardless of the number of indoor units, operation is similar to a split system. The indoor unit consists of an evaporator coil and blower fan that draws hot air from the room across a cold evaporator coil, then returns the cold air back to the room. The refrigerant travels through the copper tubing to the outdoor unit where the compressor and condenser coils are located. The heat is released from the inside through the outer condenser coil. The refrigerant is returned to the indoor unit, and the cycle continues. These flexible systems provide precise comfort in areas where indoor units are placed. They act like a zoning system by offering separate temperature controls on each separate room. For example, if you want a cooler home office but a warmer bedroom, install a ductless unit in each room. Now you can set different temperatures in each area based on your comfort needs. Regardless of what type of system works for your home or property, how do air conditioners work? Even after knowing the answer, can help you choose a system that makes the most sense. And it will allow you to better understand the options your HVAC contractor is offering. If you are facing any issue with your ductable air conditioner, then contact us or email us. The details find from description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.